What if I told you that this is one of the best amplifier board for your DIY audio projects? Well, I'm going to tell you right now it is, but you should already know that there is no such thing as a perfect amplifier board, or if there was, it will come with a high cost. Anyways, this is the Up2stream version 4 multi-room wireless streaming stereo amplifier board. Yeah, I know it's a mouthful, but it does come with a lot of features. This amplifier, not only does it come with a Bluetooth 5.0 wireless capability, but you can also use it over Wi-Fi or AirPlay, Spotify Connect, and also the aux port if you're still into that. This amplifier board has a powerful 50 watts per channel output if you pair with a 4 ohm passive speakers at 24 volts. But you can still use any power source between 12 volts to 24 volts or any speakers from 4 ohms to 8 ohms. Just remember that you won't get the full 50 watts if you use less voltage and a higher speaker ohms. I have no equipment to try and test this amplifier if it really does output 50 watts per channel, but it does say it on the website, so those are not my words. By the way, I am not getting paid to review this amplifier, but I was given this as a free sample to test it out and try it for myself, but I'm still giving you my honest opinion on what I see and hear. Anyways, let's take a closer look at the amplifier. As you can see, it has a RGB LED. White means that you're using Wi-Fi, blue means that you're using Bluetooth, green means you're using line in mode, and if it's red, that means you're using the USB port. On this side, there is a reset or power button, a RJ45 LAN port, a USB port, micro USB sound input, line in, speaker out, and the DC power input. Sadly, it doesn't come with a remote, so you have to purchase that separately. But you don't really need a remote because this amplifier has its own app that you can download onto your phone. This app will enable you to play music either from your phone, or you can play music from Spotify or any other music related apps that's on the website. My favorite part of this app is being able to use the equalizer to set it to any desired sound I want to hear from the speakers. And of course, you can also control the volume of the amplifier by using just Wi-Fi alone. That's the beauty of this thing. You can sit anywhere in the house and still be able to control the sound of the amplifier and also change the music as well, just as long as the amplifier is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your phone is on. By the way, this can only connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal. So overall, to me, this amplifier does bring a lot of features to the table and is probably something you want to have if you're very serious about audio and you want to control it over your Wi-Fi network. The app that you use on your phone for this amplifier responds slow at times, but I'm not sure if that's just my Wi-Fi router's fault or if that's the application. The other thing that you should know is that this thing is not cheap, and it's understandable because you have a lot of options to play with and you can also connect more of these together. That's why it's called a multi-room amplifier. So it's kind of like TWS feature or the Connect Plus on the JBL speakers. The good news is if you purchase this amplifier on Amazon's Prime Day, which is July 12 to July 13, you will get this amplifier at a 20% discount. So if you want to use that, make sure you click on the links in the description or in the comments. That's it for this video. If you have any questions about this amplifier, please feel free to let me know down in the comment section. As always, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't and like this video if it was helpful to you. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.